In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all wallpapers on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Wallpaper. Here we can find all our old wallpapers, and the more we add new wallpapers by tapping right here at this plus, the more old wallpapers are stored here, and unfortunately we cannot delete them from here. To delete old wallpaper, all we have to do is just swipe down from the top of the screen, just like that, to head over to the lock screen. Then long press somewhere at empty space to activate that mode. Here we can easily switch between our wallpaper in that way. However, to reveal the option of deleting a wallpaper, we need to just swipe up. It reveals that trash bin, and we can just tap on it to delete a wallpaper. And then we can delete all the old wallpapers one by one. Just keep doing the same steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.